Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with Kim's pancake turner. And thank you, Kim. It's been a while, I know, but I'm going to use it. I'm going to put some black Amsterdam paint on there. In the meantime, I have a thin layer of Meeden paint, and I'm going to give myself a puddle in the middle. Hopefully enough of a puddle so I can do a little tipping. I want to do a smear with that pancake turner. And my colors are going to be the Amethyst Metallic from Artist Loft, the Purple Flash, go figure, from Folk Art, a red color shift from Folk Art, a color I made up, I want to see. It has some iridescent pearl fine in it. It looks really a lot like the others. I have some actual orange, I might put some more black around the outside edge. I'm going to put some iridescent gold. Wow. I don't know why that happened. This is a fluid acrylic from Golden. It's quite light and it will dendrite nicely. Do I want anything else? Maybe I do. Maybe I'm going to go for it. I really wanted some of my Venetian blue in there. That's Prussian blue, don't use that. My Venetian blue is missing. It should be right there. There it is. Got it. We'll give it a shot anyway. Now, this is going to be weird. Let's put a little more Meeden paint around there. Good squeeze. It's time to order some more. Now I've got, this is so large. This might be a fool's errand. It really could be. I'm going to put as much as I can possibly manage on there. I saw that bubble. I hope that's a bubble. It looks like an object. That object needs to go away. And I have put my tweezers somewhere I could find them. There we go. Maybe it was a bubble. You probably saw it pop and I was looking for tweezers. Okay, so what I'm thinking is, if I use one of my cards, I can let that run right up to the edge. So it's evenly distributed, somewhat. Because I want to try it that way at least first try. Alright, here goes nothing. I have a break on my turntable. I'm going to remove it. There's one. Not sure I need as much the second time. It looks like a lot. Let that make sure it goes all the way to the edge. I wish I'd used some white metallic in there from Anita's. Okay, so I have to waste that, don't I? Don't like doing that. But I have a Lolifee silicone mat and I will just put that in the bucket. Thank you, Kim. Alright, now since this is not house paint under there, I think I can probably seeing what I could pop. If I want some Anita's white metallic in there, now is not a bad time to think about it. I need to do this in slow motion or speed it up. I know everybody always does this so nice and slowly, and I'm just not that patient. I didn't get a whole lot of the color shifting red from Folk Art. I think I'm going to need an edge catcher. Let's turn that right around. This might be just one of those things I call a sweep. I am going to grab this little card right here and use it as an edge catcher. So I don't have to actually throw any paint away, except for what I'm about to drip. Alright, so that's going right back in there. I really want some white metallic in there. I always say the wrong way first. If I like it, maybe I'll put another color in there. I want an edge catcher, a big, long, make me feel secure edge catcher. And I have them, I just need to grab one. Okay, it's not as long as I was hoping, but at least it's long enough to stop lots of paint from escaping, and at least I can use the paint that goes to the edge catcher if I want to by scraping it back, pushing it back onto the canvas. Kind of losing most of my cells, which is too bad. Yep, I wanted to lighten up that dark end. It seems to have worked okay. I could definitely take an airbrush to this. I kind of really like the idea of keeping these cells. That straw is not going to be my friend, I can tell you now. It's full of spit. Get a few cells out of that. All bets are off now. Yes, I see that dog hair. Come here, dog hair. Hopefully I got it. You know what? I want some gold up there too. What else? Anything else? Maybe. It's time to unplug my rescue bottle. Whoa, that came out more copiously than I expected. Better colors. I want some turquoise. Why do I want turquoise? That was green. Emerald green, color shifting. Maybe I'll be able to use some of this. Maybe I have another bottle of something handy. There we go. I got it. I have some black. If in doubt, blow it out. It's different, and unexpected is definitely a way to put it. I am going to lose all those cells if I'm not careful. And I really don't want to. I'm quiet because I have no idea how this is really going to turn out. But I do have little tools and black cell activator. And the wherewithal to try and do something. That was not dragging very smoothly. I am going to give myself permissions. All kinds of them. That was cool. I did not drop the the bottle top. I like my round one of these better. They're less catchy. So I'll pull one out of the bucket and give myself some black. It's still not singing to me, but it's closer than it was. Since I said all bets are off, that's definitely prime time to just go nuts. Better and better. I like that white streak up there. And I like the gold too. Alright, I've got 2 minutes. If I want to tell you about the monthly drawing, that it's on the end screen video. Well, the prizes are on the end screen video in the last 20 seconds. I could play with this for a while. This is actually making me happy now. I wasn't sure I was going to do that. I want a torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Don't mind using the color that I've got left over on my little tool. If I want something else, it's time to put it in, and I'm thinking that I might like that. Don't ask me why. Anyway, so you guys are going to be gone soon, and I'm totally focused on what I'm trying to do. And you've heard it all before, unless you haven't, in which case, welcome. If you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you. There's over 2,000 videos. You can find them by going to Created Playlists, All Playlists on my YouTube channel banner. My YouTube channel banner is the place to find the PayPal and Patreon icons, because if you use them, then you're automatically entered in the monthly drawing that happens on the first day, either the last day or the first day of the month. That gold's not going to dendrite out because it's not on a wet canvas anymore, but I'm pretty happy with all of that, and I'm pretty surprised too that I am, because it was kind of a struggle for a little bit. And I've got something right here shadowing my There we go. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Give me a thumbs up, please. Watch my videos longer if you're willing to help my standing on YouTube. I really appreciate that. I have some fantastic cells. I don't think I'm going to get to show them to you, but you can always ask me to show you something on the community board, and I'd love to do that. If you need a link for anything, let me know. Check my link tree underneath the video. It's the first blue link. It has all kinds of other links of mine, including my website. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. That was a chore.